Imagine a world ruled by giants. Huge beasts roamed the frozen landscapes. The air crackled with their power. Among them was a predator of unmatched strength and ferocity, the dire wolf. Larger than any wolf alive today, these creatures were the stuff of legends. Their haunting howls echoed through the forests. They were a force to be reckoned with. Now, whispers of their return fill the air. Scientists are exploring the possibility of bringing back this extinct creature. Could we soon come face to face with the legendary dire wolf? The very idea sends shivers down our spines and ignites our curiosity. But is it possible? And if so, should we do it? The quest to resurrect the dire wolf takes us deep into the heart of scientific discovery. It forces us to confront ethical dilemmas. It challenges our understanding of life and death. Are we ready to open the door to the past and bring back a creature long gone? The answer, my friends, lies in exploring the fascinating world of the dire wolf. The dire wolf was a formidable predator. Larger than its modern-day relatives, it weighed up to 200 pounds. That's about the size of a small adult human. Its jaws were designed for crushing bones. Its teeth were long and sharp, perfect for taking down large prey. This was no ordinary wolf. The dire wolf was built for power. Its legs were shorter and sturdier than those of modern wolves. This gave it incredible strength. It could chase down prey with relentless determination. Its bite was strong enough to crush bones. No creature was safe from its grasp. Their coats were thick and shaggy. This provided insulation against the cold. They thrived during the last ice age. Their remains have been found alongside the bones of mammoths and saber-toothed cats. These were creatures that ruled a lost world. Dire wolves roamed a vast territory. Their range stretched across North America and into South America. They were adaptable creatures, able to survive in a variety of habitats. From grasslands to forests, they were the apex predators of their time. Their primary prey were large herbivores. Horses, bison, and even camels fell victim to their pack hunting strategies. They worked together to bring down these giant creatures. Their success depended on cooperation and coordination. But they weren't above scavenging. Like modern wolves, they would take advantage of any opportunity for a meal. They played a vital role in their ecosystem. They kept populations in check and ensured the health of the food chain. For years, scientists believed dire wolves were closely related to gray wolves. However, recent genetic studies have revealed a surprising truth. Dire wolves were not wolves at all. They belonged to a distinct genus called. This revelation has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The genetic evidence suggests that dire wolves and gray wolves diverged millions of years ago. They shared a common ancestor, but their evolutionary paths diverged. This means that dire wolves were a unique branch on the canine family tree. This discovery raises intriguing questions about their behavior and ecology. Did they howl like modern wolves? Did they form similar social structures? We are only beginning to unravel the mysteries of this ancient lineage. Section 5. The mystery of their disappearance. Around 10,000 years ago, the reign of the dire wolf came to an end. They vanished from the face of the earth, along with many other large mammals. The exact cause of their extinction remains a mystery. Climate change likely played a role. As the Ice Age ended, temperatures rose, and habitats changed. The large prey animals that dire wolves depended on may have declined or migrated. Competition from other predators, such as humans, may have also contributed to their demise. Humans were becoming increasingly skilled hunters, and they may have competed with dire wolves for resources. Section 6. The Science of Resurrection. Despite their extinction, the dream of bringing back the dire wolf lives on. Advances in genetics and biotechnology have brought us closer than ever to this once unthinkable feat. Scientists are exploring various techniques for de-extinction. One promising avenue is CRISPR technology. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to edit DNA with incredible precision. By comparing the genomes of dire wolves and their closest living relatives, scientists could potentially rewrite the genetic code of a modern canid to create a dire wolf proxy. Another approach involves cloning. If intact DNA can be extracted from preserved dire wolf remains, scientists could potentially insert it into the egg cell of a related species, such as a gray wolf, to create a dire wolf embryo. Section 7. The Ethics of De-extinction. The prospect of resurrecting extinct creatures raises profound ethical questions. Is it right to bring back a species that has been gone for thousands of years? What are the potential consequences for ecosystems and for humanity? Some argue that de-extinction could help restore balance to ecosystems that have been disrupted by human activities. Others worry about the unintended consequences of introducing a long-lost species into a world that has changed dramatically since its disappearance. There are also concerns about animal welfare. Would a resurrected dire wolf be able to survive and thrive in a world so different from the one it evolved in? Would it be able to find suitable mates and establish itself in a new environment? Section 8. A second chance at life. If scientists succeed in bringing back the dire wolf, what would it look like? Would it be a carbon copy of its extinct ancestor, or would it be something different? The answer is complex and depends on the chosen de-extinction method. A dire wolf created through CRISPR technology might resemble its ancestor in appearance and behavior, but it would still possess subtle genetic differences. It would be a hybrid, a blend of ancient and modern genes. A cloned dire wolf, on the other hand, would be a genetic replica of its ancestor. However, its upbringing and environment would undoubtedly shape its behavior and development. It would be a product of both its genes and its experiences. Section 9. Our responsibility to the future. The possibility of resurrecting the dire wolf is a testament to human ingenuity. But it also presents us with a profound responsibility. As we push the boundaries of science, we must carefully consider the ethical implications of our actions. Bringing back a long-extinct creature is not a decision to be taken lightly. It requires careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits, not just for the resurrected species, but for the entire planet. So, my friends, I leave you with this question. Are we ready to welcome back the ghosts of the past? The answer, as with all things in science and in life, is not simple. It requires us to think critically, to engage in thoughtful debate, and to proceed with caution and respect for the web of life that connects us all.